Welcome, magical beings. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of Calamus Root, also known as Acorus calamus or sweet flag. This powerful herb has been used in both herbal medicine and witchcraft for centuries, and today we're going to dive into its rich history and magical uses. So, if you're ready to learn how to incorporate Calamus Root into your magical practice, let's get started. First, let's talk about the history of Calamus Root. This herb has deep roots in ancient Egypt, where it was used in perfumes and incense for religious rituals. But in witchcraft, it gained recognition for its ability to influence the mind and enhance power. Additionally, it provides protection. Historically, witches have used Calamus Root to help with domination, control, and even luck. In various folk traditions, it was often worn as a charm to protect against evil forces and boost personal power. This made it a favorite tool in witchcraft, especially when witches needed to take control over a situation or strengthen their mental clarity and authority. Next, let's talk about how and why Calamus Root is used in witchcraft today. This herb is primarily used for its ability to influence the mind, enhance power, and offer protection. It's perfect for spells that require you to take charge of a situation or gain influence over someone. If you're looking to boost your willpower or assert your authority, Calamus Root is a go-to herb. It's also highly protective and can be used to ward off negative energies or even prevent hexes. Also, Calamus Root is believed to attract luck, especially in business dealings or legal matters, making it a versatile tool in various types of spells. Now that we understand the basics, let's get into some practical ways to use Calamus Root in spells and potions. I'll also share some chants you can use to strengthen your magic. First, we have a domination spell. Here's what you'll need: dried or powdered Calamus Root, a red or black candle, and paper and pen. Write the name of the person or situation you want to influence on the paper. Sprinkle the powdered Calamus Root over it, and while you do this, visualize your desired outcome. Light the candle, place the paper underneath it, and focus on your goal. You can chant, "By root and flame I take the lead. Your thoughts and actions now will heed. I hold the power I control, by my will I claim my goal." Repeat the chant as you focus on your intent. Next, we have a power and willpower potion to boost your inner strength. You'll need dried Calamus Root, a cinnamon stick, and a small jar of honey. Steep the Calamus Root and cinnamon in hot water to create a tea. Once it cools, add a teaspoon of honey. Drink this while meditating on your inner power. You can chant, "Power within, rise and grow, with strength of will I now bestow. Through root and spice I am whole, my will is strong, I reach my goal." Our next way to use Calamus Root is for protection. You can create a charm bag. You'll need dried Calamus Root, black salt, and a small pouch. Add the dried Calamus Root and black salt to the pouch and carry it with you or hang it in your home. Anoint the pouch with a few drops of protective oil, like frankincense or sandalwood. Chant Calamus Root, "Protect my way, keep ill intentions far at bay. By salt and herb this space I guard, no harm or darkness shall leave a scar." Next, spell is for business success. Here's what you'll need: Calamus Root, bay leaf, and a green candle. Carve your name or your business name into the green candle. Place the bay leaf and a piece of Calamus Root at its base. Light the candle and focus on your financial growth. You can chant, "With this flame and root of power, success and wealth begin to flower. Abundance flows and business thrives. By this spell, good fortune arrives." Lastly, a court case spell. Here's what you'll need. Calamus root, licorice root, and a purple candle. Light the purple candle and place the roots on either side. Focus on your court case and visualize victory. You can chant, "Justice true by root and flame. Let fairness guide and clear my name. Truth shall win and right prevail. With Calamus strength I shall not fail." Calamus root is a versatile and powerful tool in witchcraft, perfect for domination, protection, and personal power. Whether you're working on spells for influence, strength, or protection, Calamus root can give you the magical boost you need. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more witchcraft tips and magical practices. Let me know in the comments how you've used Calamus root in your spells. Until next time, blessed be.